boats on the scene. It's got you screaming Oxidine Marine. Who's got the strong...
Hey there, folks. Bill Oxidine out here. I've got my homeboy, the Rampage Twin Cat. In attempts to start bringing you guys nicer videos, I'm filming this whole thing with my GoPro. So it's going to be onboard footage, as well as this commentary you got here. I've got my 58mm high rake props on. I know we don't offer these yet because they're still in the testing phase. I'm probably going to move up to stainless, but these aluminums are great ones to test the diameter and the performance. Of course, my stainless will give you about 10 miles an hour or close to a more speed. But what we do here on my channel is we test ready to run stuff. We don't fluff things up or put extra stuff in it and say world fastest ready to run or anything weird like that. I just show you what we got.
On the scene, it's got you screaming Oxidine Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidine Marine. Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidine Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidine Marine. Starting with the carbon fiber Kevlar weave, CNC quartz, man, it's built for speed. High flow water systems cool from heat. 100 miles an hour on the water show. Animal twin cat RTR. Fastest in the game, it's a superstar. And the Dominator model, man, it's just as hard. Superpower, self-right, bright colors and all. So you hear it on the water, man, you know they rip. The ESC motors, props, it's lit. Strongest power systems on the market, legit. Oxidine Marine, no questions, that's it. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidine Marine.
Okay, we're gonna instant replay this. Watch as this thing starts flying in the air, okay? It jumps up, does a double backflip, a pirouette, and lands backwards and backslides on the water for like 40 feet. That shit was crazy. You should have seen it.
Tell my mind and brakes, let it all hang out, cause we got a run to make. The boys are thirsty in Atlanta, and there's beer in Texarkana, and we'll bring it back no matter what it takes. Eastbound and down, loaded up and trucking, are we gonna do what they say? Round and round, with love and fire, we just get it turned.
Okay, now that was some acrobatic fun for the whole family. I switched to some actually not as strong batteries. Let's see what we get this time. right, a couple more successful runs. I'm gonna keep coming out here today, but this will be the conclusion of this video. Remember, subscribe to our channel, smash the like button, and continue enjoying radio-controlled model boating. Bill Oxdean over and out.